Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and to my subscribers, welcome back. So today I'll be giving my honest review on how Dettol has helped clear my acne. This is my 1 month update. I made a video about a month ago on how I started using it. I used it for 2 weeks then, and now it's been 1 month that I've been using it, and I can honestly say it's so working on my face. I had a little trick that I added into it because the Dettol was drying me out. Like, my face feels tight whenever I use it, which I started using a moisturizer, and people have been asking which moisturizer I've been using. So in this video I'll show you the moisturizer and the little trick that I add into using this Dettol. If you suffer from acne, either from bacteria or any product purging you, mine was a product that I used that reacted on my face, so I used it. And most people that I saw using it are dark skinned people. I was skeptical at first, but I had to use it, because the pimples was really annoying. After using it for 2 weeks, I was glad with my results, and I continued using it. I dropped a video then, and now it's been 1 month. You can see my face. Don't mind me, I'm sweating a lot. The pimples is totally gone, but I still have some spots left on my face, and the moisturizer is really helping me clear it. I love this moisturizer. It's very, very nice on my face. So what I do is I get a glass of water to use for this Dettol, and guys, then I use normal water, but after 3 weeks I started using cold water, and I like the way it worked. They said cold water helps renew the skin and makes you look younger. I just added it into it to spice things up a bit, and it was so nice. Then it was always hot, but after using the cold water, it's cooling on my face. It's not hot at all. The first thing you're going to get is to get a glass of water. So here's my glass of water with the cold water. As you can see, I'm using a cold water, not ordinary water. Just get a cold water and you thank me later. And the next thing you're going to get is your Dettol. I've measured it here. It's this much. Can you see? Okay, so I'll add it into the water. You let it settle, like you will know once it's fully settled. Once it's settled, I just take my cotton wool, this. When I'm using it, then I use it 3 times. Once I use it the first time, I let it dry a bit. I use it again, I let it dry, then I use it the 3rd time, which is very good. It speeds up the way the product started working for me. So the first thing I do is I dip it in like this. Can you see? So I'm going to work this all over my face. I'm so used to the smell now. At first I didn't like the smell at all, but now I am so used to it. And the cold water made it better. It's so cooling. The first time I tried it, because of the acne was very much on my face, it was so hot. But now with the cold water, it helped cool it down. Some acne can be annoying on the face. Just work it up like this. Here's my face close up. As you can see, the pimples is totally gone. Just left with few spots to clear off. So I'm going to show you the moisturizer that I use. Once I do this the first time, I let it dry. So let's wait till it dries off, then I'll show you the moisturizer that I use. The first one is dried. I'm going to dip it in again. I told you I normally do this step 3 times, but I'll be doing it twice in this video for you to see. Once the first applying dries off, you're going to go in again. Just take your time and work it on your face until it's drying. You can work this down if you want, especially if you have it on your neck. You can just, or any part of your body. If you have it in other parts of your body, just add like a full cover of the Dettol in 10 cups of water. Once you're done bathing, you pour this on your body and you let it dry. That is my trick on how to use it. So with this, you start feeling this tinglish effect. That is the Dettol working. With the cold water, it's way better than before when I was using ordinary water. So once my face is completely dry, I wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. I don't really stay that long. You can wait 20 minutes if you like. Don't wipe your face with a towel or anything. Just let it dry on its own, because you need that to help fight the bacteria that is causing the breakout, the pimples or the acne. Once it's able to sit on your skin for long, it will fight the germs. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go in with my face moisturizer, which is this Chin Vitamin E face moisturizer. It comes like this. It's very moisturizing. It's very good on the skin, like, I'm not joking. And it comes in this tiny bottle. I decided to get this when the Dettol was drying me out a lot. Like, once I'm done using it, my face feels tacky and tight, and it feels like my face is not breathing, which I don't like. I decided to get this little. It comes like this little bottle, but it helps moisturize my face. It's not sticky on the face and it's not oily. It's just like a water-based product that help moisturize the skin. I love this. It's like, I can recommend this any day, anytime. It comes in this little bottle, and it's like a serum. It's a serum, yeah, in this clear consistency. I just use this on my face like this. I put a little drop. Okay, so then I just massage this all over my face, and it has no smell, no single smell, which is something I like. I don't like fragranced products. I don't at all, because that alone break me out as well. So this is like no fragrance. It smells like nothing. I just use this to massage my face. I work this and I let it completely dry. You know, it's a water-based product. Can you see? It's not oily. It's just like a water-based product. I just work this on my face. I use the opportunity to massage my face. When I was having the acne, my face is always burning, like it's hot. This helped cool it down because it's very cooling on the face. I just work it. Just take your time to massage this onto your skin, you know, especially if you're drying. And sometimes this don't even do much trick that I want, especially when I first started then. But after a week, started moisturizing my face more because the acne was clearing off and all. And sometimes I use Vaseline. So here's it. If I'm not getting too much of the moisturizer that I want, once the product is dried, I just take a little and I apply it mostly here that I told you I'm oily around my T-zone, so I work it here. I'm dry around here, so I just use the Vaseline there. I don't use it here because I'm oily here. This is a very good way to moisturize your face. Like, oh, my face feels so cool. You can work this all over your neck. So that's my honest review, and you have to be patient. If your acne is very much, you have to be patient with this Dettol and the moisturizer. If you want anything that will clear it fast, like help fade out the spots, this moisturizer is something you can give a try. Most people said I should try vitamin C, but I'm not really a fan of vitamin C. I prefer this vitamin E better, and it's doing the job that I want. As you can see, my face is way better than before. It's very nice. I like that. If you have a comment or question or inquiry, feel free to ask me. And guys, don't forget to subscribe so I can bring more of these videos your way. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Okay, till I see you in my next video. Bye.